A fitting start to a day which included a gloomy report about our weather and the impact from a warming planet.
Climate change is real, it's here now, it's core business. There's no room really for doubting the science anymore.
This past summer was filled with examples of extreme weather across Australia, including record heat waves, bushfires, and flooding. The Climate Commission says all of it is the direct result of climate change.
We have more energy in the climate system. There's more heat in the air, there's more heat in the surface ocean, there's more water vapor up in the atmosphere.
The forecast for the next several decades is even gloomier. The Commission says we'll see more intense and more frequent bouts of extreme weather, including a greater number of extreme heat days.
We can also expect a lot more rain, but this is where scientists say we'll notice the most dramatic impacts along the coast, where they say between the 90s and the middle of this century, we can expect sea levels to rise by about half a meter. That may not sound like much, but they say just a half a meter increase means that incidents of coastal flooding will be 100 times more common.
And as we've seen, extreme weather comes with a cost. The economic impact alone from the 2010 Brisbane flood exceeded $5 billion. The Millennium Drought took its toll on agriculture for more than a decade.
It's hard to think of too many businesses out there that are not impacted in some shape or form by extreme weather events.
On the same day the Commission released its report, federal opposition leader Tony Abbott said he would get rid of all climate change and carbon tax policies set up by the Labor government, including the Climate Commission. That prompted a swift response from the Greens leader.
It's time that all Australian politicians took some leadership on climate change and recognised that now is not the time to be abolishing the climate change bureaucracy.
The Commission says the only way to stabilise an increasingly unstable climate by the middle of the century is by reducing emissions worldwide now. Otherwise, members warn, extreme scenes like this will become a lot more common. Greg Navarro, World News Australia.